In order to have the Apple keyboard on POCO X7 Pro, we need to download a third-party app that looks and works just like the keyboard on Apple devices. So in order to do that, we need to go to the Play Store. Let me quickly restart. There we go. Then let's search, and at the top we can enter the name. That will be the Green Apple keyboard. And this is the app that we want to install. This will replace the old app. Once you install it, you want to open it. Now let's follow these instructions. So press enable in settings, and we want to tap on the switcher in order to turn the keyboard on. Then press OK, and then once again OK. After that, let's go back, and now we need to press switch input methods, and here we want to switch to Green Apple keyboard and press OK. And then we are done. Press finished. Now you will see some settings for this keyboard, so you can go through these in order to personalize the keyboard a little bit. And now if you go back, and let's say we're gonna open the text messages, you'll see that the keyboard now reminds the one that we have, for instance, on iPhones. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.